Oh, there it is. This is the last of my 345 pack 14.5 Wolfpack toy haulers. The 14.5 means that's how big the garage is. It's 14 foot 5 inches. And I'll tell you, let's go right down here. It has a 6,000 watt Yamaha generator on it. This right here is battery storage, and when I show you the storage on the side over here, you'll see how big that whole area is. But I don't know if you can see in the video, but this has an automotive finish on the outside and it just shines. I mean, the decals stay better, it's easier to clean. What a great toy hauler. So look at all this storage underneath here. That's that other door right there. Goes all the way through. Even got tie downs inside the storage area. Those are good for 2,500 pounds each. Awesome. Tankless water heater right there. You got outside speakers, 2 full awnings, little outside kitchen right here. So you got the 2-burner stove, little mini fridge, and then an ice maker that all comes with it. The flip-in steps. This is even cool. This little railing that folds up. Look at that, folds up tight, and then it swings way out. Over here you got a second set of steps that goes into the garage area underneath this big awning with a nice drop down grab handle and a tie down for Fido right there, so if you got a dog. And then, so how this is set up, it does have electric stabilizer jacks, but it is prepped for auto leveling and it's all plug and play. So if you wanted to tackle it yourself, you can do that. Otherwise, we can do it for you too. Then you'd have auto leveling. So it's got a backup camera prep right there. You might be able to see that shine on the back door, but I mean, just such a nice finish on this. It's got a spot out here for a TV. You hang your TV there, and there's your plugs and your cable or satellite hookup. We're gonna swing around the other side. Oh, there's a spray port right here. That's for fresh water. And then your super strong pin box right there. Swinging around. I suppose you could look at the specs, but I'll tell you what a great deal on this camper. So you can put 3,900 pounds in it, and the weight is listed right here on it. That's the dry weight. Wow. Outside hot cold water shower. You got a black tank flush, another spray port on this side. Don't see that very often. Usually it's just one. So, and then you can do your passenger side and your driver's side. Pull the slides in right there. Swinging around the back. It is ladder prepped. There's a telescoping ladder that you can buy. I think they're, with your discount for buying a camper, they're like $220. And it'll telescope all the way down to the ground on an angle and up past the roof a few, like 18 inches. So 30-gallon gas tank inside here. So what this is just like pulling up to the gas station. If you put 30 gallons in there, you can put whatever kind of vehicle you got in your, you can fill it up with gas right there, bring the gas with you. There's the on-off, shut-off switch is for it. It's 50 amp service, plugs right there, and then your dump tanks. Man, I'll tell you, what a cool camper. And then a bedroom slide right there too. So we're gonna swing around again, go inside, and see what that has in store for us. Got a little light up above. I'm gonna put this out. This nice little handle. Alright. So when you walk in, you got some bar stools right there. Our sale price, man, what a deal. Nice little kitchen here. 3-burner stove with the oven, microwave, some really good looking cabinetry. Crossover here. Huge fridge. Hey! Wow, that was weird. Look at this pantry. So, pop this nice big pantry open, and you have drawers in here, and shelving, and lights, both levels. This recliner, every one opens up. It's 3 recliners, so you can all hang out there. You got plugs everywhere. More storage there, more storage under here. Storage, storage, storage. And then your TV goes right there, so you're sitting across from it. electric fireplace, your breakers and fuses right there. Now the control panel here, you could actually put an app on your phone, so anything you can do on your control panel you can do right off your phone. It even has a heated tank pads underneath. When you fill up your gas on the outside I told you about, look at that. Got your fuel station. Tells you the voltage of your batteries right there. And then right here you have where you can run the max air vent basically on the top, and then your TV plugins, and then there's a little deal you can get to run your basically your music right off of that. So we're going to step back into the toy hauler area. It is washer dryer prepped. Nice little coat rack. Another camera prep, so if you wanted to keep an eye on your stuff back here. Look how big that is. All those tie downs, all the way down to the dovetailed end right there. You got a gate. You can see in the pictures, you can set this up as like a little deck. All these black things hanging, they're blocking the window, so if you want window blockage, boom. Lights up underneath the loft. Vents, one high, one low on the other side, so your gas fumes will blow out as you're going down the road. All your switches. This switch right here runs this, which basically is your 2 sleeping areas. They're queen size. You can raise them all the way up to the ceiling or pull them down low to be able to get into them. This one also makes into like 2 sofas, and there's a table that goes in between them. And then we're going to swing around this way. You see that door to go out, and then you have a half bath over here with the sink, and again your remote for the max air vent up there. Nice big medicine cabinet, foot flush toilet right there. And I'll tell you, that's porcelain. They didn't go cheap and put a plastic one there. So swinging back out into the living room, 2 air conditioners on this, plus 300-watt solar panel on the roof with a 30-amp controller. There you can put your generator on right from there if you want to, or you can go outside and do it. Before we get to the bathroom, we're going to go into the bedroom. There's the bedroom slide, so you got a ton of storage in here. King bed. There's the second air. More thermostats. That puts the slide out in the bedroom, and then your light switches. It's ducted heat in here, ducted air conditioning into here, and nice little end tables. You can plug in your chargers, and then we're going to go in through the bathroom this way because you can go in both ways. See, there's 2 doors. So another porcelain toilet, your tankless water heater, so you can set the water as hot or cold as you want. So this way, if you have kids, they don't get scalded. You can set it. And this nice big shower right here with the skylight. It's even got a nice shower head on it, and it's got the shower surround. We'll go out this other door, close this one, little hallway, and that's a nice little lamp setup. So all right, I'm gonna one more quick thing up here that I missed is the loft, and that has a little ladder that hooks right there. The loft right there, it's nice and deep, goes all the way down into there. And your speaker setup. All right, I'm gonna sit down. This is a pretty cool camper. Somebody's got to scoop it up. Cup holder with lights in it, heat, massage, and the massage is more of a vibration thing. I mean, it's not a full-out massager, but and then another switch for the little light in there. So come check it out. Come scoop it up from me. Like I say, last one I got marked down really good. Thanks for watching.